Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We got a pretty fun one for you today. I'm actually going to be doing a little project on my RSX here. Yeah, I keep this thing parked all winter. I am not trying to get this rusty like the Subarus outside, so we play with those in the winter and keep this one safe inside. But what we're going to be tackling today, as you saw in the title, we're going to be powder coating my Brembos. Now, that's because whoever I got these from, they had not used the right kind of paint. You see that? That's just from brake cleaners. So after another season, those are all going to chip off. And I'm not trying to look rice out here. I want these to look mint. So you're going to watch as I do this, and it's going to be a good time. So stick around. Alright, so we got the wheel off. We've got to do a 19-inch bolt right here, another one on the bottom, and then just this brake line here. Be able to get this bad boy off. When I got this car, everything was F the next guy tight. Literally over 200 pounds torque on each lug, which is brutal. So I'm gonna have to hit this probably with some Freol, and I'll let it sit a minute and we'll be back. Down, off to the next one. All right, got it good. All right, let's take them apart. There we go. Made it easy on me. Maybe not. Come on, Brett. There we go. All right, so getting the pistons out, you're just gonna take your air compressor gun like that. You're gonna spray it into this hole here. I'm just using my rotor. I have new rotors, so I'm not really worried about getting these damaged. It is kind of a pain in the butt sometimes to get all four out, but I'll let you see what that sounds like. All right, these bad boys off, and we're in business. All right, so I'm just gonna pull the rest of those out. With the channel locks, they should pull out nice and easy, and then we can get the gaskets out of the inside and continue our prep to powder coat. Buddy Kyle stopped over to show off his car, so we're taking a little break. Ooh, dang, look at them bad boys. Woo. Sorry guys, camera died. But yeah, we got all the pistons out. And now, got them set up out here. I'm just gonna hit these guys with aircraft stripper. I don't have a sandblaster, but look at the paint. I mean, these are so sad. So aircraft stripper is gonna eat that off just fine. And then I'm gonna hit them with a Brillo pad, just to make sure they're all nice and clean. And then we're gonna actually bake them just raw to get any excess brake fluid or anything out of there and any chemicals cooked off the surface. I'm gonna let them sit overnight, and then I am actually gonna do the powder coating tomorrow. So here we go with the aircraft stripper. All right, we're gonna let that sit a minute, then we'll hit it with the hose, and we should be mint. All right. Oh, I do not want to get this on me. All right guys, so it's the next day. As you can see, aircraft stripper got pretty much all the paint off. I do have a little on the insides, barely, but I do have to take off some pieces in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and disassemble these, and it's also gonna make it easier to get at the gasket right in there. So I'm gonna disassemble these, and I'll do that in a time lapse. So it's gonna be in 3, 2, 1. Oh, there it is. All right. Easy enough. As you can see, I have more wheels I don't know what to do with. I got 02 JDM STI wheels. Got some wheels that came with the RSX, 2 chromed out for me. Got the RSX wheels. Love you. Got the Subarus hanging out there. Selling them that one. It's fun, it's fast, the 85, but I just don't like working on Subarus, and I know eventually something's gonna go wrong with it, so if I can get rid of it now and let somebody enjoy it, it's gonna be the plan. All right, we got them cleaned up, guys. Now I'm just going to get them in here and just cook them, just to try to get anything off that could still be left on, or any liquid out of them, any brake fluid or whatever. All right. Stagger them a little there. All right, and I am actually using a Pit Boss smoker here. You see, I converted it just to use it as an oven here. I've got it lined, as you can see down there in the bottom. I have ceramic fiber insulation. I just picked up a bundle of that on Amazon because around this whole thing, there is actually just no insulation. It's just 2 little layers of thin metal. So I did that to try to save myself time heating it up and also the electricity of heating it up. I have 2 thermometers in there just so I can make sure that I'm getting an accurate temperature reading. And yeah, we're gonna let that bake, try to get any liquid steamed out of there or evaporated out of there. And while I'm waiting on that, I'm gonna scrub these, so that should be fun. And I'll let you guys know the next step. All right guys, we got them all cleaned up. I got them out of the smoker there. They dried up, so now it's time to tape and get them back together and ready for powder. All right, the color I got is gloss red. And I got this from the Powder Coat store. I'll put the link in the description for everything I got. The prismatic powders on Amazon had some color discrepancies in the review, so I did not want to risk it spilling. Stuff is so fine, oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cool how it just sticks. Magic. All right. I like it. Let's get her on the oven here. And this is, oh, there we go. This is 400 part metal temperature at 10 minutes. Okay, a little hot here. All right, and here they are, nice and cool from the oven, looking sick. I'm super happy with the results on these. I got a little bit of orange peeling, but to be honest, I am not upset. They still look great. That just comes with my inexperience with distance control with the gun. And this is my first time doing calipers, but I am happy with the results nonetheless. So let's get these reassembled, and we'll do that with a time lapse. So putting those pistons in was definitely a lot more of a task than I anticipated. I would definitely recommend getting yourself some assembly lube for that. It just was getting caught on those gaskets. Once I got the C-clamp going, it definitely helped, made things easier. So I think that assembly lube would have just made my life even better. But yeah, now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's brand these bad boys. What's up, Pep? I'm so nervous. I don't know if that's center, but if it's not, I got more. We got more if it's not. That is satisfying. Come on. All right, thank you guys for watching the video. I appreciate it if you made it this far. I'm gonna have a link in the description to everything I bought so you can find anything you need there. I appreciate all of you guys for clicking the video and watching it. And if you like what you saw, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, peace.